Welcome to your COHO dashboard. This is a quick guide on how to get your first properties added to your COHO account. First, you want to go to the Properties panel and click Add New Property. Next, you can search for the address or add it manually. Click Continue and you can choose the type of rental that you'll be adding. If it's a HMO, enter the number of rooms and COHO creates them automatically for you. From there, once the property is created, simply click into each of the rooms to add a tenant, set the rents, and manage compliance room by room. Finally, you want to select your relationship to the property, whether you're the owner or managing on someone's behalf. Now when you go back to your properties dashboard, the new property will be sitting there. As you can see, the 6 empty rooms have been automatically created by COHO. You can now go into each room and start to fill it with tenants. Click Add New Tenancy and fill in all the required information. All that's left to do now to get the property up and running is to make sure it's got its documents. At the top of the property, you'll see a list of all the required compliance documents. Simply click on one, fill in the information, add the file, and COHO will send it out to all existing tenants. If there's any certificates you don't need, when on the property panel, simply scroll down until you find the document, click on the cog and switch off. If the property does require the certificate and you want to be reminded, set your reminders to when fits your schedule. You can also click to create an automatic maintenance issue, so it will sit in your calendar. And just like that, your first property is ready to go.
COHO.